Problem number 4.
Random sample of 8 office staffs hired within last year was selected from a large corporation. For each selected office staff, his/her experience in months at that time of hire and starting salary were recorded. The data is given in the table below. Determine the starting salary if his experience is already 30 months. This problem is also under regression analysis because of the last statement. Now we have to determine the starting salary if the experience of the office staff is around 30 months. If you cannot follow po the instructions here and you cannot manipulate your own calculator, all you have to do po is send me a picture of your calculator and from there I will just guide you. 4. We input all the values for x and y. So we have stat, tapos a plus bx. So for the x, we have 8 equal sign, 13 equal sign, 10 equal sign, 15 equal sign, 7 equal sign, 6 equal sign, 20 equal sign, and then 9 equal sign. Next, for the y values naman, we have 16 equal sign, 20 equal sign, 18 equal sign, 22 equal sign, 15 equal sign, 14 equal sign, 27 equal sign, 17 equal sign. And then you press on, then we get the values for the summation. So shift stat sum summation of x is 88. Next, summation of y, shift stat sum summation of y equal sign. Next, summation of x times y, shift stat sum summation of xy equal sign. And then last one, summation of x squared, shift stat sum summation of x squared, and then equal sign. That's it. We have identified the values for the summation and n. We can now solve for the intercept and the slope. Here's the formula for a or the intercept. So all you have to do is substitute the values for each summation. Substituting the values, we have a is equal to 149 times 1124 minus 88 multiplied by 1780 all over 8 multiplied by 1124 minus 88 squared. Values of a, we simplify the numerator. First, we have 149 multiplied by 1124 minus 88 multiplied by 1780, close. So the answer po is 10,836. Next, for the denominator naman, 8 multiplied by 124, close, minus 88 squared. The answer is 1,248. Dividing 10,836 by 1,248, the answer po is 8.68. We have to solve for the value of b, so here's the formula for b or the slope. Substituting the values for b, we have 8 multiplied by 1780 minus 88 multiplied by 149 all over 8 times 1124 minus 88 squared. For b, we have 8 multiplied by 1780 close minus 88 multiplied by 149. The numerator is 1128. We already know the value for the denominator, so all we have to do is divide those two numbers. We have 1248 for the denominator, then dividing the value for b is 0.90. Now that we have the values for a and b po, all you have to do is substitute those values in the regression analysis equation so that we can determine the values for y given the value of x. In this problem, the value of a is 8.68 and the value of b is 0.90. Substituting the values of A and B in the regression analysis equation, the regression analysis equation for this problem is y is equal to 8.68 plus 0.90x. Using the regression analysis equation for this problem, we can now determine the starting salary for an office staff with 30 months experience. Substituting the value of x as 30 and the given equation, we'll have 8.68 plus 0.90 multiplied by 30.
The approximated value for y, if x is 30, so we have 8.68 plus 0.90 or 0.9 multiplied by 30. The answer po is 35.68.
For the conclusions, the starting salary, if his experience is already 30 months, is approximately 35,680. And if you will ask me, ma'am, bakit po hindi 35.68? Because po, the salary is in thousands. So, it's just that they did not included the zero so that we can compute easily. So for the conclusion part, you just rewrite 35.68 in thousands and by multiplying 35.68 by 1,000, and the answer is 35,680.